Hey guys, welcome to the code walkthrough part 1 video of challenge 2897. The main intention of this video is to show you how easy it is to configure the button we have developed for the multiple objects. From the project requirements and the forum discussions, I realized that it is necessary to implement a button code in such a way that it can be used for multiple objects or multiple master detail related objects. So I decided to create this video just to show how easy it is with my application to configure the button for the multiple objects. In my functional overview demo, we have seen the accounts with opportunity buttons. In this video, let's configure the same code for the account with contacts. So this is my opportunity buttons, and this is the button I have used for my functional overview demo and my source code I have given in the deliverables. Now I want to create the same button on the contact, and I want to fetch the envelope statuses for the contact ID, let's say. So what I'm going to do is going to edit this. I just need to copy this code in my clipboard. I'm going to create a new button here. Let's call it get status. I need it to be appear on the related list, contact related list on the account page, so I will choose list button. Here I'm going to choose execute JavaScript, and I'm going to paste the code over here. The only change here will be, instead of opportunities parent account, I'm going to send contacts parent accounts ID, which is same in this case, that is accounts ID. So in general scenario, you need to replace this particular code with the parent object's ID, and you are done. Save is successful. Let's quickly add this button on accounts page layouts related list. This is my page layout for this challenge. I'm going to quickly add this field. I'm going to quickly add this button, get status button. Also, I need to show the field on which I'm going to store the DocuSign envelopes status. So let's check if we have that field created on the account contact. Yes, I have this field stored or created. I'm just going to add it on the account page layouts related list. Let's add that. Let's see, DocuSign envelope status. I want it second last. Save. Now I have created the button. Now what changes I need to make this application work as it is without changing any of the code, Apex code? What I need to change is, I need to go to the custom settings. I need to edit the custom settings. In the child object name, instead of opportunity, I will say contact, because I want to configure account with contact. And master object's lookup name will be the lookup field API name present on the contact object. So in this case, it is account ID only. So we will keep it as it is, because this is the API name for the lookup present on the contact. And the field name here in which I want to store my envelope status is DocuSign envelope status C. So let's copy the API name and store it here. So my application will keep on storing envelope statuses on this field. Click on the save. And you are absolutely ready to go. There is no change in the code you have to make. You just need to make some configuration settings with the point and click, and you are ready to go. Let's see the demo. Let's refresh this contact. This is my get status button, and this is my field which is empty. Now let's create one envelope for Josh Davis contact in my DocuSign. Let's create one new envelope. Oops, I'm logged out. Let's log in. I want to create a new envelope. Let's quickly select some random document. Let's send it for myself. Please sign. Now here I need to provide parent ID and the contact ID. So this is Josh Davis record ID, which I'm going to provide in this field, and this is its parent ID. If you observe here, I'm avoiding copying the contact or account ID from the URL, because if you observe, the account's URL does not match exactly with the URL ID. The URL is a substring of this, so I'm actually copying it from the database. And send. No, I don't want to sign the envelope, so it will be in the. Now basically what we have done is we have linked this John Davis contact with this envelope. So let's try to get its status. Status updated. Let's see if the job has run. I think the job has run successfully, and yes, it updated the status for John Davis. Now let's quickly sign the document. Just want to put initials, that's it. Finish. Yes. Now the status is changed for the document. Let's again fetch from the contact for the contact. Now batch is run. Yes, successfully. And the status is updated with the completed. So we have configured our code or our application with the account and contact within just, or I'll say, less than 10 minutes, hardly 10 minutes. So this is how I have developed the application, and it is so easy to configure with multiple objects. You can select any custom objects with master data relationship. I'll just quickly end up this part 1. So I'll just tell you the bottom line. What you need to do to configure the button with any of the master detail objects is you need to copy the button code present on the opportunity buttons, that is this button code. Just copy this, create a new button on the child object wherever you want. It may be any custom or standard object, and then edit the custom settings. Provide child object names API name, the master object lookup name. This is the important field actually. This should hold the value, or this should hold the API name of the master object lookup present on the child object. Make sure it is not the master object's API name. It is the master object's lookup name, the present on child object name, and then the field in which you want to store the status, and you are ready to go. No change to the code, nothing. Yeah, I think this is the end of the part 1 for code walkthrough. In part 2 we will see some classes we have developed for this application. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.